Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to create a simple search box in HTML. So we have two search box. The first one, which is the above, is created by with the input tag, submit tag. Okay. But the second one we're going to use the button tag to create the search here. Okay, now let's start. First open your text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and then open the folder. Here I have a search box folder. Now just open it. Alright, and create an index.html. Okay, so first we have two search boxes, so I'm gonna create two form. Alright, two form for each of them. Alright, so exclamation mark and tab, and we have it. So search box in HTML. That's the title of the site, and let's go ahead and create our form. So I'm gonna have a div called search with a class called search. Within this div, I'm gonna have two search box. The first one is form 1. So form 1. Okay, and within this div, I'm gonna have the well, actually I'm not going to use div again. We just need to do form action. I'll leave it for now, and then class form 1. Okay, in the first form we're gonna have input. Input is gonna be placeholder. It's just gonna type search here. Second, we want to have the submit button, right? But in this case, we're not really using the tag button because we're using the input. I want to demonstrate how we can use the input tag to create a button first, and the button before the second form. So we got type. We're gonna have type as submit, name submit, value submit. Okay, so that's for our first form. Now the second form, we're gonna have form action and leave it there, and class I'm gonna use form 2 for the class. Okay, and then we're gonna have an input which is similar to the first one, so I'm going to copy it, pass it right here. Okay, then we're gonna have, instead of using input, I want to demonstrate that we can use button to create. So the reason I use button is because I want to have an icon right here instead of the word submit. Okay, so if you want to do so, you need to go open the browser, and then you need to use the font awesome. So alright, just use font awesome, and go ahead to log in. Great, if you haven't got an account, and have your account, log in, and then copy the kit. Alright, you want to pass it in the head like this. Okay, so then you can search for search in the phone. Also, you can search for the icon for search, click on it, and then just copy like this. Copy, click on it and you copy it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the I can write here button, just give me one extra. Okay, now we're gonna button. Okay, form. Now let's open it. Right click, and I'm using live server. Can install it. Okay, so there we go. Now I have the button. Oh, there seems to be a problem with this, so we're gonna fix that. Right here we have button. Okay, this form does nothing, so we'll go ahead and we're gonna style it to make it more beautiful. But before we do that, I want to have some note for what is the purpose of this form and the purpose of this form. So what I'm trying to do in this video, I'm trying to demonstrate how different types of there are two ways that we can use to create such form. So I want to have an H2 heading, HTML. Okay, I see my search box, and then I'm gonna have search bar with input tag. So basically, I'm gonna have H-ray search bar with input tag, and below we're gonna have search bar with button tag. Now I want to put this one into the code tag, so to make it look nicer, so I'm gonna have code right here, and then code. Okay, now we have this, and then I want to make it color, so color, we're gonna have 86 221. Alright, so you see it had this color, and we can do the same thing for the other one. Let's copy this code tag, place it right here, change it burn, and then we have it. Okay, so it's just a quick things we can do with these two such tag. Now the main task is to style it to make it look something like this.